Welcome to today's video. If you're looking for the best smart displays to upgrade your home, you're in the right place. From compact bedside companions to full-sized kitchen hubs, we've rounded up the top 5 Amazon Echo devices you'll love for style, performance, and smart control. Let's dive in. Check the description and grab your favorite product today. At number 5, Amazon Echo Show 8, newest model. Your smart home command center, the Amazon Echo Show 8, newest model, in charcoal takes your smart home experience to the next level. Featuring an 8-inch HD display with crystal clear visuals, it's perfect for video calls, streaming, or following along with recipes in the kitchen. The upgraded spatial audio delivers rich, immersive sound, making music, movies, and Alexa responses more vibrant than ever. With a built-in smart home hub, you can easily control compatible lights, cameras, and other devices using just your voice. Alexa is always ready to help, whether you're checking the weather, managing your calendar, or setting reminders. The improved camera with auto-framing keeps you in focus during video calls, while privacy features like a camera shutter ensure peace of mind. Stylish, powerful, and versatile, the Echo Show 8 is the perfect all-in-one smart display for any room. At number 4, Amazon Echo Show 5, compact smart display with big sound. The Amazon Echo Show 5, newest model, in charcoal packs powerful features into a compact design, making it a perfect fit for your bedside table, kitchen counter, or home office. With 2x the bass and clearer sound, your music, podcasts, and Alexa responses sound richer and more vibrant than ever. The 5.5-inch display is ideal for checking the weather, streaming shows, viewing security camera feeds, or following step-by-step recipes. Alexa is built in to help you manage your day, set alarms, control smart home devices, and get instant answers hands-free. It also features a built-in camera for video calls, along with privacy controls like a camera cover and microphone off button for peace of mind. Stylish, space-saving, and the Echo Show 5 is your smart mighty home companion. At number 3, like new Amazon Echo Hub, 8 smart home control panel with Alexa. The like new Amazon Echo Hub is an 8-inch smart home control panel designed to give you complete command over your connected devices, all from one sleek touchscreen. With Alexa built in, you can manage lights, locks, thermostats, cameras, and more using either your voice or the intuitive display. Compatible with thousands of smart home products, the Echo Hub makes automation seamless. Create custom routines, monitor your home in real time, and get instant control without switching between apps. The vibrant display also lets you watch security camera feeds, view reminders, or check the weather at a glance. Certified like new, this device is fully tested to look and work as good as new, offering premium performance at a better value. Whether you're new to smart home tech or upgrading your setup, the Amazon Echo Hub is a powerful solution for modern living. At number 2, Echo Show 10, charcoal, smart display with motion and 6 months of Amazon Music Unlimited. The Echo Show 10, charcoal, takes your smart home experience to a whole new level with its unique rotating display that moves to face you during video calls, streaming, or when following recipes. Powered by Alexa, you can control compatible smart devices, check security cameras, set reminders, and enjoy hands-free convenience. This bundle includes 6 months of Amazon Music Unlimited absolutely free, so you can stream millions of ad-free songs and playlists with immersive sound. The Echo Show 10's high-quality directional speakers adjust to your position, delivering a rich audio experience anywhere in the room. From cooking in the kitchen to managing your home, the Echo Show 10 keeps you connected and in control. With its stylish charcoal finish and advanced features, smart design for any modern home. And finally, number 1 is Amazon Echo Show 15. Your full HD kitchen hub with Alexa and Fire TV. The Amazon Echo Show 15, newest model, is the ultimate smart display designed to keep your home organized and connected. Featuring a stunning 15.6-inch Full HD screen, it's perfect for displaying family calendars, to-do lists, sticky notes, and shopping lists, all in one place. With Alexa built in, you can control smart home devices, set timers, check security cameras, or ask questions hands-free. What sets this model apart is the built-in Fire TV, letting you stream your favorite shows, movies, and news right from your kitchen or living space. The adaptable display can be mounted on a wall or placed on a stand, and it automatically personalizes content for each family member. Shop now on Amazon. Thanks for watching. I hope this list of the top 5 Amazon Echo devices helps you find the perfect fit for your smart home. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. See you in the next video.